Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm walking on the water canal. You're seeing that. About this water canal, I made a lot of video, not too much, few or three video, and there are some farmers behind me who are started their works already, and but this time today their work is to give the fertilizer on the paddy field. This is a time, but after a few times later, people use or people cleaning the jungle, because if you saw paddy seed, you have good idea about paddy seed, because of one after one week later, the paddy field is full of the jungle, so it has to be cleaned, otherwise you will not your sufficient harvesting. This is the reason, and I'm seeing there are four farmers all over out of this district, but they are hard worker, because they love this work agriculture, and they are from, most of them are Rangpur. And you could tell me that Rangpur, most of the people also work on dependable agriculture, this sector, this fundamental. But the main reason is that if you work in Rangpur division, you will not get sufficient money. Like I told or asked a person who live in Rangpur division, they told me here the per income is 300 350 taka. But if you work in our district Munshiganj, the per day income is about 500 600 taka, and they get three times food that is not available in Rangpur. For this reason, they come to this district. And other thing, once upon a time in our country, people also work and they also do something, and they used to work, but we are rich person now. For this reason, we do not like this agriculture. We want to get the pure and beautiful food, but we do not want to work. For this reason, we have to pay or we have to do something. I am going before that farmer and will ask them something new. And this field today he will cleaning, and they are cleaning the jungle also. They have taken the knife or sharp thing also to cleaning the everything. And I'm seeing that before there is one bag of fertilizer they have taken there. Okay, check it up. These are farmers from Rangpur. So how's Rangpur? Rangpur. They are from Rangpur. I asked a Rangpur person who told me most of the people come to our district. The main reasons is that here the earning sources, the different kind of opportunity available that is not available in Rangpur divisions. Although most of the people of Rangpur work on this sector, agriculture, for this reason, and they're very hard worker, and then they can work properly and very smoothly than our village people. Thank you. So you're seeing that people are doing super job in here, and if you like it, you can do in our village also. And they have no any like any kind of shyness or any kind of different kind of like laziness that is available in our district people, also in our village people. They do not like agriculture. They do not like any hard work, but they have no any systemized or any kind of good knowledge of education. Especially I hope if they good knowledge in their mind, they can do better more, but they always do it the last day of their life. There is super people always do it, but it's very good. Agriculture is also one of the familiar and beautiful passions I like it because without agriculture live we cannot live our life, we cannot survive our life, because agriculture gives us different kind of foods, especially different kind of things. For this reason, so agriculture is necessary for our life. And after cleaning this field, they will cultivate it, or they will give the fertilizer on the field. It's necessary for this reason. Okay, by the way, I'm going to end this video here and come back to another video, inshallah. For that time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep developing yourself. Assalamu alaikum.